Okay, here now, Director of Sales for Cryoworks, Matt Miller. Always great to see you here, Matt. Saw this pamphlet in all the Q4 magazines for GAWDA. Give us some of the highlights that the distributors should be paying attention to when they get this pamphlet.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, so some of the new things for us, we launched our web store, shop.cryoworks.net, putting a lot of our smaller kind of standard components on there, making it easy for distributors and our customers to go online and order some of our standard stuff. A little bit better pricing. The lead times are listed on there as well as our Cryolinks has been a big thing for the distributors. In the past, where X50 had been used, foam insulated piping, you can kind of make a little step better insulation, go with the vacuum insulated stuff instead of using foam. So some new stuff for us, and then the website kind of being a big thing.
Cool. Tight schedule, tight budget. You mentioned it's good for the food and beverage industry. So talk about the distributors that are dealing with those types of industries and what they should be aware of.
Sure. So food applications like tonneau freezers, things of that nature. In the past, the foam insulated piping had been used a lot, and not so much vacuum insulated piping due to like the increase in cost, and then it's much longer to build. So we've kind of cut that out of this product line. It's a lot faster, more readily available, and it's a lot closer to the foam insulation pipe pricing.
Cool. Looking ahead to 2024, anything new on the horizon that maybe you guys want to give a preview about?
We're continuing to grow upon that Cryolinks line for us, so we're going to introduce some flexible line sizes into that, as well as some foam insulation kits, and basically growing that product line for us.
Yeah. Awesome. There you go. Quick update from Cryoworks. Shout out to Tim and Donna. Take care back at home. Good to see you, Matt.